Introducing the 2008 BMW 328. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a BMW are offered, including delay-off headlights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.